Hey everybody, welcome back. Alright, I have already put on 4 8mm standoffs on top of the power distribution board. I'm going to go ahead and mount the Naze 32. I'm just going to directly mount it for now with the USB port to the left. You can configure for that 90-degree shift within CleanFlight itself. Actually, instead of that, I'm going to use another standoff. Not going to affect anything. The height won't matter because it's going to be under the top plate anyway. Okay, now we have the Naze 32 mounted on the board. Okay, now that everything is set up, before I connect anything to the flight controller board, I'm going to go ahead and plug in the battery. And if you could hear, the ESCs did some beeping and the motors moved slightly. That's a good sign. Now, the pins across this side right here, this is the USB port. These are for your motors / ESCs. The first two are for voltage detect, and your buzzer is going to go on this set right here. Then this is motor 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I'm going to go ahead and grab motor number 1, and the red is positive 5 volts, brown is ground, and the orangish yellow is for the signal. So this is motor number 1. Needs to come over here and get plugged into number 1. And now the flight board is active. And this is number 3, number 2 right here. And number 3. And last but not least, number 4. Now, kind of get that out of the way for right now. Next is our receiver, the 615X. Going to be using it in CPPM mode. Have a plain servo cable into the receiver, into the battery bind port only, just like so. And this is going to be plugging into our set of channel inputs, which are along this side. There's 8 rows of them. The outside is ground, the inside is 5 volts, and the very inside are your channels 1 through 8. So this will go right on channel 1 with positive and ground. And you can see that we now have some activity on the RX.